On 27 February 2025, the Home Office made a significant announcement that has brought relief to many migrants and employers across the UK. The deadline for using expired biometric residence permits, BRPs, for travel into the UK has been extended from the end of March to the 1st of June 2025. This decision comes as over 500,000 people are yet to secure their e-visas, the digital alternative to physical immigration documents. This extension is a lifeline for many, but it also underscores the urgency for individuals to transition to the new digital system as soon as possible. But before we dive deeper into the details, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. The Home Office has been working tirelessly to move towards a fully digitalised immigration system. Since 31 October 2024, successful visa applicants have been receiving e-visas instead of physical BRPs. An e-visa is a secure online record of an individual's immigration status, accessible through a UK VI account. This shift aims to make the process more convenient and secure, as e-visas cannot be lost, stolen, or tampered with. The government believes this digital transformation will streamline immigration processes and reduce the risk of fraud. However, the transition hasn't been without challenges. Most BRP and EU Settlement Scheme biometric residence cards expired on 31 December 2024. This meant that sponsored and migrant employees were expected to prove their immigration status online using e-visas. Recognizing the potential disruption to travel, the government introduced a grace period in December 2024, allowing expired BRPs to be used for travel until the end of March 2025. The recent announcement extends this grace period to 1 June 2025, giving individuals more time to secure their e-visas. So, what does this mean for migrants and employers? First and foremost, anyone who holds a physical immigration document and hasn't yet created a UK VI account should do so immediately. The process is free and straightforward, and it doesn't usually require sending documents to the Home Office. Creating a UK VI account is essential to access your e-visa and avoid potential difficulties in proving your immigration status to employers or when travelling into the UK. For those with indefinite leave to remain, who currently use an ink stamp or vignette in their passport to prove their rights, the process is slightly different. They can continue using their physical documents for now, but they are encouraged to make a free no time limit (LTL) application to access an e-visa. This can be done at any time and will make it easier to prove their status to third parties, such as employers or landlords. In the meantime, individuals with BRPs that expired less than 18 months ago can still use their physical documents to verify their identity via the UK Immigration Check ID app for new visa applications. They can also use these documents to generate share codes for right-to-work checks. This flexibility is crucial for ensuring that individuals and employers can continue their activities without disruption. However, the clock is ticking. From 2 June 2025, expired BRPs will no longer be accepted as evidence of status for entry into the UK. Visa holders who haven't secured their e-visas by this date may face significant problems, including potential refusal of entry. Employers should also prepare for changes in right-to-work guidance, as visa holders will likely need to use their e-visas to generate share codes to prove their permission to work. Travelling to the UK is also becoming increasingly digital. When arriving at the UK border, most passengers' immigration statuses are now checked digitally via automated online systems. To avoid disruptions, individuals must ensure their personal details on their UK VI account are up to date. This includes registering their passport as the identity document in their UK VI account. If they update their passport details, their old document will remain linked to their account, and they can use either document to travel. However, if they've informed the Home Office of a new passport but are still awaiting confirmation, they should carry their old document as well. To further safeguard against potential issues, it's recommended that individuals print a hard copy of their e-visa details and obtain a 90-day share code before travelling. Airlines may request this information, and having it on hand can prevent unnecessary delays or complications. This extension is a welcome development, but it's also a reminder of the importance of acting promptly. The Home Office's move to a digital immigration system is a significant step forward, offering greater security and convenience. However, the success of this transition depends on individuals taking the necessary steps to create their UKVI accounts and secure their e-visas. For employers, this is a critical time to ensure compliance with immigration rules. Understanding the changes and supporting employees through the transition will be key to avoiding disruptions. Employers should familiarise themselves with the View and Prove service and encourage employees to create their UKVI accounts if they haven't already done so. The shift to e-visas is part of a broader effort by the UK government to modernise its immigration system. The goal is to create a more efficient, secure and user-friendly process for both migrants and employers. By moving away from physical documents, the government aims to reduce the risk of fraud and make it easier for individuals to prove their immigration status. However, this transition has not been without its challenges. Many individuals have faced difficulties in creating their UKVI accounts or accessing their e-visas. Technical issues, lack of awareness, and delays in processing have all contributed to the slow uptake of the new system. The extension of the grace period is a recognition of these challenges and an attempt to give individuals more time to make the transition. For migrants, the benefits of e-visas are clear. They offer a more secure and convenient way to prove immigration status, and they eliminate the need to carry physical documents. However, the transition requires individuals to take proactive steps to create their UKVI accounts and link their immigration status to their e-visas. For employers, the shift to e-visas presents both opportunities and challenges. On the one hand, the new system offers a more streamlined and efficient way to verify employees' immigration status. On the other hand, employers must ensure they are up to date with the latest guidance and support their employees through the transition. One of the key challenges for employers is ensuring that all employees have successfully transitioned to e-visas by the new deadline. This may require additional training for HR teams, as well as clear communication with employees about the steps they need to take. Employers should also be prepared for potential delays or issues that may arise during the transition. In addition to the practical challenges, there are also broader implications for the UK's immigration system. The shift to e-visas is part of a wider trend toward digitalisation in government services. This trend is likely to continue, with more services moving online in the coming years. For migrants and employers, this means staying informed about changes and being proactive in adapting to new systems. In conclusion, the extension of the grace period for expired BRPs is a much-needed reprieve, but it's not a permanent solution. The transition to e-visas is inevitable, and individuals must take action to secure their digital immigration status. By doing so, they can ensure smooth travel, employment, and access to services in the UK.